Yo guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to change the window regulator in a Fiat 500. And if you check on the channel, I've already done a little short on how to remove the door panel. So just watch that obviously before you do this one. And then we're going to show you how to get out the window regulator. Firstly, what you're going to need is a little impact gun or a ratchet with a 10mm. And then we'll show you how to get it out. Let's get into it. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. I don't know whether you can see, but in there you're going to need to pop that clip, which is there, pop that out the other side of the window and put the window down, which will then allow the clip to be away from the glass, and then you can drop the whole mechanism out. So we'll go ahead and get that done. That's the clip. Now the clip popped out the other end of the glass. We're just going to put the window down slightly. We're going to have to, and then we'll lift the window up to remove it from the clip. Done it? Also, you want to tape the window glass up so that it stops the glass from dropping down when you take the mechanism out. That's done. With the glass being taped up and the clip off the back of the glass, you've then got a little yellow clip on the end of the plug there. Pull it away from the plug and squeeze it to pop the plug off the window motor. Then you've got your 10mm on the nut on the mechanism, which is there's 3. And then as soon as they're off, you should which there is your mechanism. Right, so we've taken the window regulator out of another car, which is the breaker, and it's ready to go in this one, which if you can see in there is no actual clip which carries the window because it is completely broken off, when it should be looking like this. So we're going to go ahead, strip that regulator out, and then we'll show you how to put that one back in and re-clip it onto the glass, which then should make it work exactly how it should originally. Start by releasing the plug on the old one, and because there's no clip on the back of the glass, we can just go ahead and drop this one straight out. And I've already propped the glass up with a piece of wood on this one, just so it's easily out of the way. A little bit of juggling. There is the old one. As you can see, the clips all broken off the back. For the new one to go back in, you just want to make sure the motor is on the right hand side and this part is in between the door frame and the glass. There's 1, 2, and there's 3. Then Get the 3 10mm nuts back on. Before we tighten them up, I'll just show you that this is all in. Back in behind there on the glass. Again. Try and line that back up. Got the plug clip back on. Wait for the click and then push the yellow part back in here. We're ready now for that piece of wood to come out. Right, I'm going to need you now. Right, so the window regulator is all in, bolted up, plugs in, taped the window, took the piece of wood out, which popped it up. Now we're just going to go ahead and raise the regulator on the window switch, which will then clip around the glass. So, do it up now. Yeah, slowly.
蓝牙模式
Slowly.
连接成功。
Go on. Right, now wait. That should just go a little bit more. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Right, so that, as you can see, is now clipped in. And we'll go ahead untape the glass and just show you the new mechanism working. Now go all the way down and back up. And there we have it. Window regulator changed on the Fiat 500. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one.
In the city, rushing through me.